Okay, so how to use multiple pages in FOXIT. So first, what we need to do is open the file or open the app of FOXIT, and we're going to open a file. So you can use either the recent files, then go to File tab, click Print, and then of course choose the printer, and then edit the properties if needed. So like in this case, kung gusto mo nga long, then you have to choose official 8.5 by 13, then click OK. Then after that, you're going to click multiple pages instead of booklet, change it to landscape, and make sure nga ang pages in one you have 2:1 in page. Then click on pages, and here you can put in what page you want reflected in that certain page. So like in this case, I will choose page 6 and 20, for example. But you can change it depending on what pages you want to see. So you have to have a master, and then once you've decided, then you can click print. That's it. So mano-mano siya until you have your own master or sample module before you start mass printing. Very simple.